Microsoft Excel function. 1. Average function.
Type equals average. Open parentheses. Then highlight the numbers. B2, E2 will appear. Then close the parentheses and press enter. If you sum it, type equals sum, open parentheses, then highlight the numbers again and B2, E2 will appear. Then click the close parentheses, divide by 4, and press enter. You will see that the result is the same. Then copy down and the average will appear.
2. AutoSum function. Type equals sum open parentheses, then highlight the numbers and the range C2. C7 will appear. Then close the parenthesis and press enter. You can also do it this way. Just click the sigma sum. It will appear automatically. Then press enter. Or the shortcut is Alt equals. That key is for the shortcut. 3.count and counta function. It means that count only counts numbers, while counta can count letters, symbols, numbers, and other non-empty values. Equal count, open parentheses, then highlight the letters and close the parentheses and press enter. The result will be 0. But when using counta, equal counta, open parentheses, then highlight the letters, close the parentheses again, and press enter. The result will be 3 because it counts the letters. So here, using equal counta, let's reverse it. Open parentheses, then highlight, then close and press enter, and it will still count it. So when you use count, it only counts numerical values. But when you use counta, it can count all text or letters as well. So here, only count is used, so the result is 3 because it only counts numbers. But if counta is used, the result will be 5 because it counts everything. 4. If function. In the if function, if the grade is higher than 75, the result is pass. If it is lower, the result is fail. For example, a grade of 93 is greater than 75, so the result is pass. Press enter and copy down the formula. 5.sum if function. First is the range, then the criteria, which is what it will look for. This is what it will find. Then the range is where it will look for it. This is the range. Next is the sum range, which is what will be added. This is it. Then close the parentheses and press enter. 6. Countif function. It's like when you first use count, it counts. When combined with the if function, countif means you count. You specify your range. Then you set your criteria, which is what you are looking for. Excel will check your range to see how many times the criteria appears. When you press enter, it will show the result, for example, 3. So it counts how many cells in your range meet the criteria. 7. Concatenate function. There are 2 ways I will teach you on how to use concatenate. The first one is using equals, literally concatenate, then text. This is text 1, and then this is text 2. Then close. As you can see, there is no space. So to add a space here, quotation space quotation. Then this is text 1, text 2, the space is text 3. Press enter. This is the first way, the literal concatenate function. You can also use a shortcut, the equal sign, then the ampersand, then quotation marks with a space, then another ampersand, then this, and press enter. It's the same. You don't need to type the concatenate function anymore. The ampersand is its equivalent. It's the same thing. 2 ways to concatenate using the function and using the ampersand. 8. Trim function. The trim function removes all extra spaces. So to remove them, we will use the trim function. Type equals trim, open parentheses, highlight the text, then close the parentheses, press enter, and copy down ... As a result, the spaces are removed. 9. Drop-down list. A drop-down list is created by selecting the cell where you want to put the drop-down. Then go to Data, click this option, then choose Data Validation. Click the Allow Any Value drop-down and select List. In the source, you can either type the items or click this button and highlight your data. After that, click OK. And there you go, you now have a drop-down list. 10. Lookup function. The lookup looks up a value that is always located at the beginning of the data. Your lookup value is this. Then after the comma is the table array. This is what I was telling you, since what we are looking for is the product. The product should always be at the front. The table array is where the entire data is located. Then you choose which column the sales is in, so it's the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the true or false value is for the range lookup ... If you want an exact match, use false, or 0 ... If you want an approximate match, use true or 1. Usually when you're working with numbers ... So you can just use 0, then close the parentheses and press enter. So that's how lookup works. Just always remember that the what is lookup value, where table array, which number column index number. That's all there is to lookup. So those are the 10 basic Microsoft Excel functions.